What's up guys? So it's time to show you the final results of our one bedroom that I furnished in just 7 days and with $3,000 budget. So if you're ready, let me turn around the camera and enjoy. So this is our last day of furnishing and we have almost everything ready. I'm just waiting now to get the bed, the mattress and the sofa. We just received the table, put the TV on the side, and this is the carpet with the coffee tables, working desk and chair. We also have this TV stand, TV unit, and a shelf rack for the books. Work in progress. Let's see how it ends up. Got the bed, mattress, and the sofa. We received our final pieces today, which is this amazing customized sofa L shape with also a great combination with the coffee tables here, and it also really is very comfortable. So other things that we have to do is unpack the vinyl player. We have another coffee tables just here, and currently it just looks almost done. It's really pretty. And this is also the bedroom, which has exactly the same colored bed with the sofa, and it's more of a Japanese style. It's very low with the mattress on top, and it just gives a very cozy feeling in Dubai. So that's about it. Let's move on to the next one. So let me tell you about the final furnishing of this apartment. First, we got this amazing table for 4 people, which is really cool, and it's the same color with the marble coffee tables just here. And also we got 4 chairs here, which is leather, and it's also in brown color, so it does match the wardrobes here. We've of course added a couple of other things which obviously is not included in the $3,000 range, which are all the paintings there and here, and the coffee machine and some other stuff here. But from the things that are included, we've installed also this small desk here, which is really good for the keys and basically having anything that you really need firsthand. And for example, I've put here the remote controls for the lights, which is very convenient. Then we got, of course, our bed. Well, the sofa, the bed is in the other room. And I've also added these 2 orange cushions, so it gives a bit of a artsy vibe here. Also with the 2 paintings that we got from Cannes, actually from Paris, this ones, and we're adding 3 more from Cannes. And we've got some other interesting, unique things in here. I've got a Rolex book, of course, and then I've also got this amazing marble chessboard, which I got in Nepal, and this really gives a more unique vibe to this room. Here we got a throw just there, and we've also got our vinyl, Alexa, telephone. I know it's very old school, but it's really useful because here in Dubai they include TV with phone, with everything, Wi-Fi all together. Then we have our speakers for this thing. And on the left side, we have the work setup. This is not included in the $3,000 because this I already had a while ago. This corner, we've got a TV. We've got a very large bookshelf for all our books, and also I've added this in-wall speaker from Bang & Olufsen. I've also got a remote vacuum cleaner and a couple of discs for the vinyl, a couple of other things. That's all ornamental. We've also got this TV unit for only around 400 dirhams, which was crazy. Moving on to the bathroom, here we've actually installed this glass wall, which costed around 700 dirhams plus 200 dirhams installation. Here we've got two shelf racks here on the left and right, and a couple of other small things, accessories, and of course this for the laundry bag. Nothing much more here, just a couple of towels and other things which obviously you have to add there. And this is the bedroom. Here we've only added from the last video the carpet and also the bed and the mattress as well with the linen. We've also added our piano on one corner, and honestly I'm not thinking of adding anything more on the left and right because it just looks so neat and also so comfortable when you just come into this room and you want to relax. So yeah, in this room we don't actually have anything much more for now. I'm thinking of a couple of night shelves maybe, but again I feel very comfortable as it is, and it just gives a good feeling that you go into the bedroom and you just want to sleep instead of, you know, doing other things and having too many things around you. Nevertheless, this is how the room looks like right now. It's actually pretty spacious. I didn't expect it. We have a lot of place to walk around. Really, we have. And honestly, for a one bedroom, I think that's pretty large. We've also got this storage room where we installed all other things, such as of course the washing machine. We've got all the other needed stuff for home. I've got my snowboard on the right and a couple of other things there. I've got a skateboard there as well to remind the teenager days. The fridge here, you would ask why is it so small? In Dubai actually there is pretty hard to find taller ones, and also with the freezer on the bottom, so we just got a random one and we thought I'll just place some other things on top. So instead of overpaying around 2,000 more dirhams, I just placed my hat that I got from France and a JBL speaker. So I think that works perfect. I don't need to overpay for that. And also I could reuse all this in any of my other future investments. If we plan, for example, to move into a 2 or 3 bedroom, then I can easily reuse all this for my investment. One last thing which I wanted to show you is of course the night view. And this is really something else. This is our balcony. This is the view to Dubai Creek Harbor. You have the address towers here. You have the Grand, and also you have a view. Yachts and the harbor, the marina as well. Marina Walk is just there. And if we look at the balcony, it's also pretty spacious, and you would hear some noise. Although when you go inside, the sound isolation is really good, as you can see and hear nothing. Nevertheless, this was the furnishing of the one bedroom that I just got, and I'm going to drop all the prices in the description. Also, maybe I'll just make another video about all these items and all the providers in more details, but for now this video was more to show you how is it before and after, and I'll also drop a video with that. And let me know in the comments, what do you think? Is it worth it? Maybe you have some more recommendations, and if you wanna do the same thing, also reach out. I'm actually planning, or at least thinking for now, to perhaps maybe gather a team and also in the future provide this kind of furnishing for some margin. And also, as you can see, it's pretty modern and artsy. This was the whole vibe that we were looking for, and I hope you can also relate and find it useful for you. But until then, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below everything, and I'll see you in the next one.